This video vividly highlights the undeniable importance of dash cams in protecting citizens during police encounters. Our story begins with Miss Maddie, who was test driving a car from her husband's dealership lot when she was pulled over by a McHenry Sheriff's deputy in Texas.
Are you pulling me over?
This is where Miss Maddie made her first critical mistake. In a moment of nervousness or anticipation, she removed her seatbelt. And then, her second mistake. In an act of perhaps too much honesty, she informed the officer that she had just removed it. For the officer, this wasn't an innocent admission. He immediately interpreted it as a confession, a clear admission of guilt that he would undoubtedly attempt to use against her.
I just took my seatbelt off as a habit. Yeah, I just took this off, just so you know. I wasn't driving without this habit. Huh?
That's the reason you're being stopped.
No, I just took it off. I swear to God. It's habit. Yeah. I wasn't speeding.
Oh, man, I'm going to tell you the reason you're being stopped today because you can have the seatbelt on.
No, I just took it off. I swear to God. I have a camera. I have a camera. I can play it for you. Because it's habit. When I stop the car and put it in park, I take it off.
There you go. Thank you. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Why do you have to get that
Because my husband owns a dealership.
Okay. So, does that mean you can just put dealer tags on any vehicle that you own?
No, we're going to sell it.
Dealer tags are usually whenever
Yes.
for a dealer or if they're showing the vehicle, which
Yeah.
is neither of the
It's
not neither case right now.
When Miss Maddie, instinctively knowing its protective value, pointed out her dash cam, the officer's focus noticeably shifted. He immediately pivoted to the dealer tag on the vehicle, challenging its use. However, according to the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, dealer tags can be legally used by dealership family members or employees for personal use, a critical detail the officer either didn't know or chose to ignore. Instead, he presented his own speculations and misunderstandings as irrefutable facts, attempting to create a violation where none existed.
No, he's going to sell it. I'm just test driving it.
Are you now? Okay, but you just said this is your car.
No, of course, I'm driving it, so I have to have insurance on it and stuff.
Okay, you said this is your car. I asked you if this is your vehicle, and you said yes. So there shouldn't be a reason why you should have a dealer tag on her just because your husband.
Well,
owns the
right
dealership.
now, I'm driving it, so it's not like... Do you want me to call my husband? You can talk to him.
I'll go off of what you tell me. You tell me that this is your vehicle. You still live on Country Place Road?
Yeah.
All right, Brad, back with you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here you go. Make sure you wear your seatbelt also.
I swear I was wearing...
Make sure you also start driving cars at this time.
Huh?
Dealer tag. Put a real tag on your vehicle, not dealer tag, okay?
Okay, but I swear I have... Okay.
Remarkably, the officer eventually left the scene without issuing any citation. This entire interaction powerfully highlights the indispensable importance of a dash cam. Without this objective, unbiased recording, the officer could easily have initiated a lengthy and stressful court battle based purely on his inaccurate information, his misinterpretation of the law, and his unfounded assumptions. The officer made several critical errors. He demonstrated a clear misunderstanding of the proper, legal use of dealer tags. He presented his assumptions as undisputed facts, and he brazenly attempted to take advantage of Miss Maddie's honest admission, twisting it into a false confession of guilt. He tried to manipulate the situation entirely to his advantage. In this encounter, the dash cam played an absolutely key role, acting as the silent, irrefutable witness that protected Miss Maddie and exposed the officer's clear attempt to exploit the situation and overstep his authority.